Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over the mixture of Grimace and Godzilla, okay? So let's get started. It's going to be super easy. Follow along with me, or you can just watch. First thing I'm going to do here is going to start with the top of Grimace's head. So I'm going to be over here like a curve. Alright. Very simple curve. And that's going to go down. It gets bigger as it goes downward. Something like that. We can actually kind of... We're going to kind of keep it going out. Right there. Right on. Gonna go over here. Sweet. Right on, right on. Line underneath here for kind of underneath the leg area. And now we're gonna draw the giant feet, right? He's got the kaiju. If you look at something like Godzilla, he gets like bigger as he goes down as well. Mostly like for gravity's sake. Curve right here. Pull back in. Curve right here. Pull back in. Curve right here. Pull back in for the bottom of the foot here, and it's gonna pull up. Don't forget, by the way, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. These are really hard to do as far as combining characters in my mind. So definitely, if you appreciate it, please give that the like button a hit. Gonna go out over here, down, curve up. So doing the foot, basically the same shape on the other side with three-pronged nails. Right there. Curve. Curve, 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 curve. Underneath. Alright, so far so good. You got the body, we got the base, we have everything going on. Alright, now we're going to go over here. We're going to draw the line over here. Underneath the line over here for the tail coming outward on the side. We're going to indicate the tail down. And then we're going to put some little mountainy spikes here. Curve right there. Curve right there. Line down. Right on. Let's go over here to Grimace's face. And we're gonna go here and we're gonna draw the circle right here. Okay. Circle on this side. And circle on this side. Line. Line. Eyebrow on one side. Eyebrow on the other side. And dot, dot. Over here, curve up, right here, for the mouth, where he's got that like cleft in the middle of his lip. We have a, don't forget we have a cute drawing ebook in the description. Go take a look at that if you've ever wanted to draw chibi or cute. I have a very simple ebook. It's like 7 pages, lays out everything, because everything's about proportion, what's big, what's small. Definitely go check that out if you're interested in drawing chibi. I'm gonna go over here, pull down, around, up, the mouth, curve right here, and let's fill this in right here. There we go. Over here now, back, down, right here for the spikes, aiming off that direction, down, and a little bit more as we go over here, kind of those spikes toward the bottom there. Sweet. Over here on this side now, we're gonna have his hands toward the middle now, so we have pretty much the base, it's going pretty good. Go over here now. What would we call him, by the way? Grimacezilla, I guess? I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know in the description. So I want him to be grabbing the shake, you know? Line over here for the middle. Down. And put some claws on one side, claws on the other side. Down right here, curve underneath, up. Line up over here, out, down. So that Grimace Shake right there, maybe like a wiggliness for a design on that shake. Sweet, sweet. Let's go over here. We draw like texture over here, maybe like curve, curve, curve. Maybe over, where else? This area on him. Right on. Go over here on the side. Down. We're going to draw a thick line around the outside border of him now. The reason I like doing that is because I like making it look like a sticker. I like making it look a little bit more complex. So definitely, I would say do that. Just a thicker line on the outside. While I'm doing that, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about something. I want you to kind of draw every day if you can. I know that's something that people say all the time, but I mean, it really is worth being reminded of. Because the more you draw for yourself, the better you get as far as your hand control. There is certain instruction, and I will kind of push into that soon as far as like, you know, a lesson. I'm trying to get a lesson together, teach everybody how to draw from the ground up, like anatomy, you know, drawing shapes, you know, more control exercises. But I do want you to kind of understand that that time, putting in the time to draw, a lot of people don't do that, and I want you to be the exception and to do that. So definitely, you know, definitely do that. So you wanna be the exception. So, and yeah, definitely wanna put the time in. You definitely wanna put the time in. So, alrighty. Hopefully you have an amazing time and amazing day. I want to thank you very much. And if you have any other requests, let me know if you like this or not. Definitely let me know. But yeah, reach out to me. I'm easy to reach out to. I'll talk to you guys next time, and I'll see you very soon, okay? Talk to you later, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? That's kind of mainly the main way I communicate, is I'll usually respond to you guys in the comments section or the next video. So I will see you soon. Wave to me, and I'll talk to you in the near future.